So look at this. It's a different what is that? Setup. The refrigerator is big.
Yeah.
They have microwave.
Nice.
Oh my god, they have microwave. Yes. And then they have big refrigerator. And then yeah, the drawer. So it's good for long-term stay. You know, and the toilet is so big. It's like one room in Hong Kong. And then the shower is big too. I like this one. Nice. And of course, it's my birthday. Yep. And then they have a veranda. Actually, it's a big room. No?
Yeah.
And then you have area there.